Welcome to our tutorial on how to fix the Gmail app expired issue. If you're facing problems with your Gmail app, here are some steps you can follow to get it back up and running smoothly. First, try logging out and then logging back into your Gmail account. This simple step can sometimes resolve the issue. If that doesn't work, try logging out of all devices that are currently signed into your Gmail account. This can help refresh your account connection. Next, you can try clearing the cache files on your device. Go to your device's settings, then apps, and find the Gmail app. Tap on it, then select Clear Data, and choose Clear Cache to remove any app-related cache files that may be causing the issue. Make sure that the Gmail app is allowed to run in the background on your device. Check your device's battery optimization settings to ensure that the app is not being restricted. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Gmail app. This can sometimes resolve any underlying issues with the app. Make sure you download the latest version of the app from the App Store. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Gmail app expired issue and get back to using your email seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you.